I'm going to show you the easiest way to remove author and date info from WordPress posts. No plugins, no code, and you'll do it right in the WordPress editor. Start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in, look down the left-hand menu and click Appearance. A submenu slides open. Click Editor. The WordPress site editor loads, and on some hosts that takes a few seconds. The screen you're looking at now is the full site editor. When it opens, click Templates in the top area. That shows every template your theme uses. Find Single Posts, or it might just be called Single, and click it. This opens the single post template. That's the layout used for every individual blog article. Now look for the byline, date, categories, and comment count. They might sit under the post title, or at the bottom after the content. I always use List View for this because clicking directly in the preview can grab the post title instead of the small meta block. Click the List View icon in the upper left. It looks like 3 horizontal lines. The block list opens on the left, and it shows every block in this template in order. Scroll until you see Post Author. It often sits right beside Post Date. Select Post Author. Then click the 3-dot menu on that block. Choose Delete. The author byline disappears from the preview, and the block drops out of the list. If you accidentally delete the wrong block, press Ctrl-Z on Windows or Command-Z on a Mac right away. Deleting Post Author does not delete the WordPress user account, it only removes the name from the post layout. Now select Post Date. Open the same 3-dot menu and choose Delete. The date leaves the layout. Removing this does not change the real published date stored in WordPress, it only hides it. Some themes also show a comment count or a categories line right next to it. Leave those if you want to keep them. Before you save, scan the preview again. Some themes repeat the author and date in another spot, like a related post section. If you see another post author or post date block in List View, delete that one too. Don't delete the whole meta area unless you also want to remove categories and comment counts. Only remove the exact blocks you don't want. Now click Save in the top right corner. If WordPress asks you to confirm, click Save again. The template saves and the update applies across all posts that use this template. Open a blog post in a new tab. The byline and date are gone. Open a second post to confirm the changes site-wide. If your theme keeps author and date in a separate template part, you won't find those blocks in the single post template. A lot of block themes do this, so the same meta can be reused across single posts and archives. Go back to Appearance, click Editor, then click Patterns. From there, open Template Parts. Look for Post Meta or Post Details. Click it to open it. Now use List View, find Post Author and Post Date, and delete them the same way with the 3-dot menu. Hit Save when you're done, then refresh a blog post and check. Now, if you only need one post without author and date, don't edit the template. Go to Posts, click All Posts, hover over the post, and click Edit. If the author and date appear inside the post content itself, select those blocks, delete them, and click Update. But in most block themes, this info comes from the template, so if you don't see those blocks inside the post editor, you have to remove them from single post or the post meta template part instead. If you don't see Editor under Appearance at all, you're on a classic theme. Go to Appearance, then Customize. The customizer opens down the left side. Look for Blog, Single Post, Post Meta, or Theme options. Some classic themes have toggles in here for author and date. If yours does, switch them off and click Publish. Then check a post. If the controls aren't there, the theme hardcodes that metadata, and that's the point where you'd look at a plugin or code snippet instead. One last check. Open a post on your phone after you save. I've seen themes hide the byline on desktop but still show it in a mobile-specific block. If it's still visible anywhere, go back into Editor and search List View for Post Author or Post Date again. It's easy to miss a second instance. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people looking for the same thing.